In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Glorify AI templates so you can save hours of design work and still create professional looking graphics. And stick around because in just a minute, I'll show you the one feature in Glorify that instantly makes any design look polished, no matter your skill level is. Whether you're making social media posts, ads, product images, or even presentations, Glorify's templates can help you get your designs done faster without sacrificing quality. Let's start by opening Glorify. So once you're in the dashboard, you'll see something like this. At the top, there's a search bar where you can type in what kind of design you're looking for. And right below that, you'll see the suggested templates section, which includes options like hero image, mockup scene, display ad pack, social media pack, Amazon storefront banners, and logo. Each of this already has preset dimensions, so you don't have to guess the right size for your product. And in a second, I'll show you a trick to choose the perfect one without wasting time scrolling. And on the left side of the screen, there's a menu with useful shortcuts. You have my files for all your designs, my uploads for your own images, the template section to explore more ready-made designs, and a template market for even more styles and tutorials if you need extra help. And in the center of the dashboard, you'll find all your saved designs. You can switch between all files, personal files, or shared with you. You can also sort them by last viewed or other filters. This is where most people overlook one powerful feature, and I'll reveal it when we start customizing. Let's say that we want to use a social media pack template. Just click on it, and Glorify will open it in the editor. This is where you can fully customize the design. Click on the text to change the words, adjust fonts, resize them, or change the colors. You can also replace any images by uploading your own or choosing from Glorify's built-in stock library. And here's where it gets fun. You'll see how quickly a few tweaks can transform a generic template into something uniquely yours. And the best part about templates is that the layout, color palette, and font pairing are already professionally designed. You just tweak it to match your needs, but wait until you see how the brand kit takes it even further. If you want your designs to match your brand, set up your brand kit once and apply your logo, colors, and fonts to any template in one click. This single step can turn hours of design work into just a few minutes. And when you're done, simply click download and choose your format, either PNG, JPEG, or PDF. You can also share it directly with your team for collaboration. So before we wrap up, I'll show you the fastest way to prepare multiple designs for different platforms without even starting over. And if you're wondering, why does it save hours? It's because by starting with a template, you skip the hardest part, the blank canvas. You already get ready-made professional design that's already 80% complete. So instead of spending hours arranging elements, you just customize and finish your work in minutes. And that's how you can use Glorify AI templates to create stunning designs in a fraction at the time. But honestly, the magic happens when you start experimenting with different templates, and you'll be surprised by what you can create in under 10 minutes. If you've been spending too much energy on design work, give these templates a try and see how much faster and easier it can be. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.